My name is Bhavani Suresh, I'm Chairman and Managing Director for Suntek Energy Systems Private Limited. So we are into solar products actually. We are into manufacturing of solar water heaters, mainly into solar rooftop systems. We are into solar rooftop systems for industries. We install solar power for industries, commercial buildings, offices everywhere. Last 4 years, Suntek is the number one company in the state of Telangana. So far we have installed more than 3,500 systems, and now we are doing good in industrial segment actually, because power tariff is going up and most of the industries are showing interest towards going for solar energy. So this solar energy, because this is there will be no storage, there will be no batteries in this, because whatever we are generating, we are again giving it back to the grid. And so whatever units we are consuming versus whatever units we are generating, it is getting net adjusted. So everyone, whoever is paying high electricity bills, definitely they will get benefited out of solar. We every time we used to participate in renewable energy exhibitions only. So this is for the first time we are participating in non-solar exhibition. HIPLEX is really very good, because most of the stalls here, most of the people who are coming here are basically from industrialists. So most of them are industrialists and they have industries. So that is the reason we are here, because our product is mainly suits for industries where they are paying high electricity bills. HIPLEX, we are getting good response. This is the second day, and we almost got some 30 to 40 good inquiries, and we are very much happy with the participation at HIPLEX. And I really appreciate HIPLEX team, especially because they have organized everything in a very proper way. And definitely we look forward for some good closings also. And thanks HIPLEX for giving me this opportunity and giving a platform to showcase our products.